Good evening, my friends. Today we will talk about importing images from Dropbox to Power BI. As you can see here from my Dropbox, that I have 4 flags: Canada, Germany, UK, and USA. And we want to import these 4 flags to Power BI. We will follow some steps in order to ensure that we import it correctly. So here in Power BI, you can see here that's this icon, which is copy link to the file. Even here we have, even here we have, even here we have. So let's choose for Canada. We press it. We will take copy link and we will go to Excel file. We put here Canada and copy paste. We will do the same process for Germany flag, for UK flag, and for USA flag. Now we have this table, country name and the flag link. We will save it and we will go to Power BI. In Power BI, we will get data from Excel workbook. Browse. This is my file. Next, I will select Dropbox table. This is my table, which is I set it now from the links. Transform data. Now we are in Power Query. We can see here we have 2 columns, country and flag link. If we select the cell, any cell under the column flag link, we can read the link. You can notice now that the last 4 letters DL equals 0. DL equal 0. So in order to import it correctly, these images, we have to change this from DL equal to 0 to DL equal 1. So I will select this column, replace value. I will write DL equals 0. I want to replace it with DL equal 1. Press OK. Now you can see the link is changed. Close and apply. We have to wait until we import it. Now we have this is my table and this is the 2 columns I have. Let's take the link and change the data category to image URL. Now everything now is ready. Let's take a multi-rows card here and bring flag link to its field. Oh, voila. You can see now these are my photos from my images from Dropbox. If I go now, for example, let's take this table and bring the country. If I select any of them, you can see now I have interactive images with the table. This is very simple process. Just change DL equals 0 to DL 1 and you get everything right. I hope you got good information. If you have any question, any comment, any subject you want me to discuss it and explain it, please write it down in the comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.